Guys, we got a Mazda 6 here, 2009. I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery without losing idle memory, radio code, anti-theft codes coming on. You don't want to lose no throttle body memory, so it's always better to be on the safe side. So what I did was here, I took my jumper box, I grounded it back there to the frame, to the engine, and this is a positive here. I created this little needle here. This needle goes right through it, so it's feeding power all times, so we're not going to lose any memory. So what we're going to do here is we're going to start off by removing this little guy right here. This is number 8 that holds the battery down, and this is a 2009 Mazda 6, and this baby comes off. Okay, put that to the side. So once this terminal is off, you don't want this thing to touch anywhere because we're still feeding power to it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch up our socket from this extension. This is the 8mm, and let's continue. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is, right now our battery is all loose. All we need to do is take off the 8mm. So there's the 8mm here. Just loosen it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the negative should come off just like that. Put it to the side. The positive, like I said, the positive cannot touch anything, so make sure you have somebody helping you hold it to the side here, or you can just sit like that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this off. Okay, we're gonna take our new battery. That's how simple that is. Okay, and we're gonna take the negative, we're gonna stick it back on. Positive goes back on, and that's it. It's nice and good. I might be losing this up a bit more, so we could go more down on this terminal here. Okay, after that, what you want to do is you want to tighten these babies up. Done. So our power is back on, and at this moment what we could do is we could take this off. Okay, don't let it touch anywhere because remember we're still grounded. We'll take off the opposite side and take off the jump box. So the only thing we got left behind is this little guy. So this little guy goes back in. It only goes in one direction, okay? And what you want to do is you want to tighten this up. That's the battery holder. Can't leave the battery loose. Bada bing, bada boom. We're all done, nice and set. Battery shouldn't move. Okay, we can take this off, this red tab here, because we got our own battery cover here. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. That's how you're going to replace the battery on this Mazda 6.